What's up, guys? This is a 3rd gen Toyota Tundra with factory rear air suspension. I just want to demonstrate how it works. So the truck's off right now. I have 38 blocks concrete. I'm averaging them at 30 pounds each. I guess it would change depending on the density, but 38 blocks at 30 pounds is let me think, 1140. And as you can see, she squatted pretty good. So I'm going to start the truck and it will raise it up and just demonstrate. So we're in the neutral position. You can already hear it. The compressor's going. Phone connected to the truck, so I lost audio, but long story short, it aired up and it rides perfectly level, and I have 38 blocks in there at like 30 pounds each on average, I would say. So it's about 1140 pounds in the bed, but you could never tell. I'm not squatting, and it self adjusts going down the road. And there you go. I love it. Piece of cake. You don't have to do anything. Just start the truck and it levels it for you. You don't need to mess with the airbags. You don't need to add an aftermarket thing. Aftermarket bags. The last couple trucks I've done airlift or Firestone bags. So there you go.